guys, in today's video I'm sharing with you all a very delicious recipe made with mushrooms, and this one is for a mushroom kuchela or mushroom amchar. So if you'd like to see how to make this amazing vegetarian dish, keep watching. So guys, to make this mushroom kuchela, here I have my button mushrooms that I sliced and I placed it on a cookie rack. What the cookie rack is going to do is prevent it from getting soft or wet on one side while it's drying. Now you can put this into your sun until it's nice and dry. It's going to pull out moisture from the mushrooms, or what you can do is put it into your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and let it sit there until you see the moisture starts to come out and this starts to dry out. It would take different time depending on the setting on your oven, so I'll show you what it looks like so you can keep an eye on it and you'll know exactly how long to leave it. So I'm gonna pop these into the oven, and once it's done I'll show you guys what they look like. So guys, it's been actually 45 minutes since I put the mushrooms in. They're nice, they're dry, they're dehydrated. This is how you want them to be. You don't want them to be mushy. So you know that texture, that consistency that mango has when you dry it, that's what you're looking for. So you're gonna keep it in there until it's nice and dried out. So now I'm gonna transfer these to my bowl. So guys, to start this recipe, I'm using the chili infused coconut oil from CGA Limited. This is going to give this some extra flavor, extra spiciness. If you didn't have it and you wanted to get it, it's available on Amazon and readily available in Trinidad. Now to this oil, I also need to go in with some mustard oil. And mustard oil is that flavor that we get from kuchela or Amchar. It's a much needed flavor of oil, also found on Amazon. Next goes in some minced garlic and minced hot pepper, or you can use pimento peppers if you like. And we're going to start to cook this on a low heat. We don't want the garlic to burn, hence the reason why a low heat. So that oil is nice and warm and it's going to release the flavor in the pepper and in the garlic. So I'm gonna let this just sit here. I can see it sizzling slightly. Let it sit here in this oil for about 2 minutes. Once the garlic gets tender and it's very fragrant, we're going to go in with our Amchar masala powder. And I'm going to go in with some geera or roasted cumin powder, and I'm going to let that toast lightly in here. And remember, if I didn't say, you want your heat to be on a low for this, so just mix that in. You don't want to cook it for too long, so about a minute or so. And after a minute we're going to go in with some green seasoning. Okay, we're going to mix that green seasoning in, and then we're going to go in with our mushrooms. Now you're going to mix or coat those mushrooms in that delicious Amchar mixture. It smells so good. Okay, now it's time to add salt to taste. And if you didn't want to put salt and you're on a no salt diet, of course, and the baby's helping cook also, so he wants salt in his little bowl. Give this a good mix. Make sure that salt melts away in there. You don't want to be biting down on pieces of salt. And then you always taste and adjust. And you guys see how perfect this looks? So this is done. But I'm turning off the stove and I'm gonna give this a taste. Very nice. It needs a little more salt. I'm gonna go in with some more salt.
I'm making more salt.
Yeah. And mix that in. And then this is ready.
Mommy?
So guys, here you have it, my recipe for mushroom kuchela or mushroom amchar. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's very delicious with a simple dal and rice, or even with khichdi when you make that dal and rice cooked together. So delicious, so flavorful, something different for you to try when you're fasting or if you're vegan or vegetarian. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it and let me know down below what you think.
No,
So thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.